Drifting above the northern coast of Jamaica, where industry meets the rhythm of the sea. At the heart of Port Rhoades, a gateway carved into the coastline of Discovery Bay, powering one of the island's most vital exports. Below, the Bulk Brenton rests in quiet strength, a 190-meter giant engineered for the global movement of raw materials, standing still yet full of purpose. For 7 days in February 2026, this vessel became part of Jamaica's industrial heartbeat, loading the Earth's hidden wealth, bauxite and alumina, destined for markets far beyond these shores. This is motion without movement, power without noise, and a story of connection carried across oceans.